Hello class, good morning. Welcome to my channel, welcome to my class with me, Mr. Daniel. And in this video occasion, we would like to have a new topic to talk about. Here we go, the expressions of giving opinions. So today's meeting will cover several points. The first one is to learn about some expressions on how to give an opinion politely. The second one is to learn about some expressions on how to agree or disagree on a particular opinion. So, I would like to ask you a question. When do you usually ask for an opinion from a friend? And in what situation is it? You can give a reason why. Well, in my case, I often ask an opinion from someone when I have a difficulty in deciding or determining a particular decision, or when I have to choose between two options and I want to have somebody's point of view. So actually, you can show your personal point of view using these expressions. We have several common expressions here, and you can choose one. For example, what do you think about smoking? If somebody asks me that question, so I probably will use this expression. Personally, I think smoking is not a good habit. Hence, you should go over another option. But when you want to give a stronger opinion, so you can actually use one of these options. You can say, I'm absolutely convinced that drinking coffee will be good for your health. Or, I strongly believe that cycling is the best sport on earth. Okay, so what about you? You can choose the other expression, of course. And then, when somebody asks you about how to learn English well, you can try this one. You start with, it's obvious to me that blah, blah, blah. For example, it's obvious to me that the best way to improve your English is by using English, not studying English. How does this sound for you? Okay, next. When we are having somebody's opinion, we sometimes want to say our personal agreement or disagreement towards his or her ideas. Okay, so let me give you some options on how to agree with somebody's ideas. For example, you can simply say, of course, or you are absolutely right, or yes, I agree. And also, you can choose different types of expressions. For example, when somebody says, iPhone is the best brand for cell phones on earth, you can say, I agree with you entirely. But anyway, you can also disagree with somebody's opinion. You can try one or two of these expressions. For example, I'm sorry to disagree with you, but for me, Siemens is better than iPhone, for example. Or, I'm afraid I have to disagree with you, because for me, Samsung is still better than iPhone. Would you please try different types of expressions for disagreeing with an opinion? Please do. You can also disagree with someone partially. Well, you can actually express a partial agreement on somebody's opinion, meaning that you agree with him, but you have a reason to disagree as well. For example, you can say, I see what you mean, but for me, smoking is not an option. Or, that idea is okay, but I think I would rather go for candies than cigarettes, and so on. So this is how to agree partially with somebody's idea. Okay, and now I would like to give you a question or a statement to be exact. Yeah. Indonesia will be free from viruses in 2025. What do you guys think about this idea? So would you please share your opinions about this statement and record your voice using Vocaroo and share the link in our WhatsApp group. That would be great if you can share your ideas using the previous expressions that we have talked about. Okay, so I think I would like to highlight some final remark. First, in order to express your ideas, you have to be a good listener first. And then think carefully before you speak and choose the right expressions while considering the situations and who you are talking with. All right, guys, I think that's all for today. And I'm gonna wait for your responses in our WhatsApp group. So talk to you again later. Stay healthy, stay happy, and stay alive. I'm Daniel. I'm signing out. Bye.